In today's video, we are going to show you how to set up a proxy in Mozilla Firefox. This is useful if you want more privacy, access restricted content, or connect through a work or school network, or even for your client. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is go to a website that can show you your current IP address. So right now I am connected to United States, and around the region is Oregon, and the IP address is 51.81.155.236. Now, the reason I'm showing this is that later on, if we change our proxy, this should change as well. Okay, so go back again to your Mozilla Firefox and then hover to the top right corner where you can see the three horizontal lines and scroll down to settings. Hover down below where you can see the network settings. You will see several proxy options, and let me explain them. Okay, so the no proxy is by default the first option here by Firefox. So it's going to be a direct internet connection. Second option is going to be the auto detect proxy settings for this networks, wherein Firefox automatically finds proxy settings. Now, the use system proxy settings is it uses your computer's proxy configuration. And for today's video, what we are going to do is to create a manual proxy configuration. Okay, so just enter the HTTP proxy, which is the required information. For example, I am just typing in random numbers, all right? For example, that, and you need to put in the port. For the HTTPS proxy, you don't have to do anything here, but if you want to use this proxy for HTTPS, that's another option. Just check the box if you want it, so it's automatically auto-populated, right? Now, all I have to do, once you are happy, okay, click the OK button. Now, I want you to hover again to the IP site. And as you can see, my IP changed successfully. All right. So basically, that's how you set up a proxy in Mozilla Firefox. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.